and it is colder than a lot of places.
In this bank, or right underneath that rock?
Let's do it in that bank right there.
Is the truck far enough away?
Hopefully.
Yeah, we'll be good. And if anything, those trees will catch the shrapnel. Go on the backside of it.
You wanna blow it all at us? If it even works, I don't know.
Yeah, if it works. Who's gonna light it? Someone's gotta be quick. Alright, you gotta run like the wind, bro.
You're gonna light it, Taylor?
Yeah. I'll light it.
That right there is a pipe bomb covered in dirt.
You wanna wear that
Ooh-ah.
face shield?
You ready? Alright.
Mom, Dad, I love you. If I don't see you, well, I'm always having fun.
Aaron's fault.
It's Aaron's fault. Blame it on Aaron. Alright.
We're gonna get
We'll let you know when we're ready. Ready when you are. Run! That was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, dude.